Yeah, what's going on? So today we got a video from Unpopular, and the title of the video is Raging Daughter meets no BS cop, gets a dose of reality fast. So let's get into the video. Let's see what they're talking about.
No! I don't want to go to jail! Let me go! I didn't do nothing! Cuff me! You want to die today, bitch? Are you okay? No?
She's very happy.
On November 25th, 2023, officers responded to a neighborhood following a report of domestic violence.
Come in. Can I talk to one of y'all?
Hello.
Niggas right? I did not swear.
It's okay. Hang on.
I did that.
Y'all talk to me real quick.
I didn't do nothing to her, bro. She did. That's why she acting like that. She ran over me twice. She just threatened to burn down the house. This been going on for 4 days.
Hey, not more than that, baby. I get wake up every morning, man. Hearing all that mess.
I want her. Is there any way y'all can pink slip her? She done threatened me about 12 different times.
Are you her mom?
Yes.
What'd she say to you?
I hope you die. I'm gonna kill you. This day, I'm gonna burn your house down. She has not took her medicine. Like, she ready to fight me.
She can't beat her mom.
Okay.
And I've been holding my mouth. I've been holding my peace all morning. I've been talking to both my kids that mom don't say nothing because they're trying to. My blood pressure was 215 over 110. I have heart failure.
And she threatened to kill you?
Yes.
Did you hear her say that?
Yeah, I heard her say that. Yeah.
Okay. Are you dad?
I understand that.
Okay. So your mom, that's your daughter?
Yes.
Okay.
And the only thing I can believe in, because the last time they took her down there like this, was they took her to jail. Jail's not going to work.
Well, today, she's going to have to go to jail today for them to kill
Because
you.
I need to go down there.
Benji.
Because when I took her down there, what's it, that Friday?
Yeah.
And see, that's the thing. They're going to let her out tomorrow. But see, when I went down there, no, it's early enough for me to go down there to tell them she needs to be somewhere. Because I didn't get down there soon enough.
Huh?
When will she go to court?
I don't know.
So we can be down
No, it'll be 24 hours. They let her out tomorrow.
tomorrow.
You would be ordered in if I mean she's gonna have to go to jail. We'll get her situated, we'll take care of her, and then I'll come back in and I'll break it down for her.
She ain't got no shoes on her feet, nothing.
Does she not have shoes? I'll get her in cuffs real quick and then we'll come back and get her some shoes.
That's what I said.
What's her first name?
Kendra.
Kendra.
Yeah.
Hey Kendra.
Hello.
Here's the thing, okay? So you're gonna have to go to jail today.
No!
Kendra, listen to me. Kendra, listen to me. Kendra,
I didn't do anything.
Kendra,
I didn't do anything.
This is the
I'm
deal.
about to go to sleep on
Okay.
my medicine.
This is the deal.
Can
All
I
right.
stay? Okay, listen.
So
I'm
we're gonna
do
get
it.
you some shoes. We're gonna put you in
I
handcuffs.
didn't do anything. No.
Okay,
I don't
I get
want to go to jail.
Kendra, I need you to just relax for me. Kendra, relax for me. Kendra, you gotta relax. Kendra, relax and just put your hands behind your back. Kendra, calm down. Kendra, calm down.
I didn't do shit. Get the f off of me.
Stop grabbing my hand, Kendra. Calm down, Kendra.
Get the f off of me. Get the f off of me. Can I please go back to sleep?
No, you're gonna have to go to jail today.
My bro. Man, let me go. Let me go. Let me go.
Listen, you gonna go to sleep, all right, but it ain't gonna be in your bed, at least not for today.
Let me go. Let me go. Let me
Kendra,
go. Let me go.
She's not
Let
gonna
me
see.
go. Let me go. Let me
Kendra,
go.
stand up. Kendra,
Let me
stand
go.
up.
I didn't do nothing. No. No.
I don't want you right on your shoulder.
No.
Kendra, walk. I'm about to pick her up by your leg.
No.
Okay. I got
No. No.
Listen, here's the thing. You better get your act together, Kendra. You better get your act together, because if you don't get your act together, they gonna get you to act right now. Listen, you want to be, rebellious and not listen and do what you want to do. Okay, that's fine. You want to do that with your mama? All right, whatever. Right? It ain't really whatever, but you can play that with them. You ain't gonna play that with these cops, man. They gonna get you to act right one way or another.
Kendra,
No.
are you gonna walk to the car for me?
No!
Kendra,
I
you
want to
gotta
go
get
to
up.
sleep. No, I'm not going to jail. I need a donut to uncuff me.
Kendra,
Uncuff me.
get up.
No! 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 Let go! Let go! I'm about to fall.
He's got you. You're not gonna fall.
I hate y'all bitches. Y'all so bitches. Shut the up, bitch.
You
Let me go. Let me
Stop
go.
grabbing me.
Let
Kendra,
me
calm
go.
down.
Let me go. Y'all motherfuckers arrested me.
Calm down,
Ah!
Kendra.
Y'all motherfuckers want to arrest me.
Kendra.
Let me go. Let me go. Ah! Why the fuck y'all arrest
Stop
me?
grabbing me.
Why the fuck y'all trying to arrest me?
Kendra, relax.
Let me go.
You're going in the car, okay?
No.
Don't be grabbing him. Turn
Let
around.
me the fuck go.
Let go of my pants.
Let me the fuck go. Let me the fuck go. Let me the fuck
Let
go.
go of my pants.
Let me the fuck go. Let me the fuck go. Let me the fuck go.
Take a seat.
No.
Sit down.
No. No. No.
Watch your hand.
Can you go get my phone, please?
We'll grab it. It'll go with you. Kendra, what's your...
I want to go back to sleep. I ain't do shit to that bitch. When y'all gonna motherfucker wake up, stupid bitch? Huh?
Kendra, do you know your social?
No, I'm not giving you my social.
All right, I'll get it from your mom, then.
Let me motherfucker go, bitch. I ain't do shit. I ain't do shit. Stupid ass bitch. You stupid ass bitch. I ain't do shit to you. You stupid ass bitch. What the fuck is up when I get out of jail? I'm back.
Okay. Do you know her social security number, birthday?
Yeah. Y'all tell me
My name is Campbell. Don't spit in my car.
y'all f***ing arrest me. Bitch. Stupid ass motherfucker. I'm gonna be out any motherfucking way.
See, the system is kind of rigged, you know, messed up, you know, because obviously she needs to be in maybe some sort of a psych ward or something like that, maybe, you know, getting a mental health evaluation or something, because she knows the system so well that the mom even said it, yo, she gonna be out tomorrow. Like, they just gonna let her go. They gonna hold her for 24 hours and let her go tomorrow. And she even knows that. She like, I'll be back out. Like, that's a messed up system. I ain't gonna lie, man. She is a threat to her family.
Can you go get my motherfucking phone like you say you was? I need it. Hello? Hello? Hello?
What's up?
Can you go get my phone? So when I get out, I can have it.
Okay, I'm clear. Thank you.
Stupid motherfuckers. Look what y'all motherfuckers made me do, bitch. I fucking hate you, bitch. When I get out this, bitch, you gonna see me again, bitch. 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 Motherfuckers got
And that's what I mean, right? When I get out again, you gonna see me again. When I get out, you gonna see me again. So they locked her up before. She got out, came back. They're gonna lock her up now. She's gonna get out tomorrow, come back. What if she comes back and kills him? Now what? Who's liable? She clearly has some problems, but the system is pretty much failing this family at this point.
me coming, no lock my hands now, stupid motherfucker. Y'all motherfuckers want me to go through hell on the motherfucking Saturdays when I was fucking asleep. Y'all bitches got me fucked up. Bitch. Bitch. Now look at you, bitch. Let me go. Let me the fuck go. Let me the fuck go. I want to go to sleep. Y'all the lying. She motherfucking lying. Bet you I will come back to this bitch. Can you go get my phone? Since y'all motherfuckers want to arrest me for no motherfucking reason, what's the lie now? What the f she done told y'all now? Bullshit, right? So let me the f go. I'm gonna keep spitting on y'all motherfucking car. Y'all so fake ass bitch. Nah, motherfucker, you gotta let me go before I kill your motherfucking ass, bitch. You wanna die today, bitch? You wanna die today, bitch? Stupid ass motherfuckers. Yeah, take her to motherfucking jail too, bitch. Yeah, bitch. Now look at you, getting motherfucking scared, bitch. Y'all some lying ass motherfuckers, especially that bitch right there in the white. Take her to jail too. Take her to jail too. Yeah, take her to motherfucking jail so you can see how she motherfucking like it too, bitch. Bitch. Take her to motherfucking jail too. I'm tired of y'all motherfuckers. Tell me what the f you get, bitch, for following, bitch.
Hello.
Are you okay?
Huh?
She's very happy.
You remember me?
Yes, I want to go home and go to sleep.
Uh-oh.
I didn't do shit.
That's
Nothing.
unfortunate.
I didn't do
Do you need
nothing.
anything right now?
No, I'm gonna get her out of here.
Get her out of here?
Well,
Have a welcoming party ready?
oh yeah.
Okay.
She needs to put her seatbelt on. I don't know if she's going.
You bitch. I ain't putting shit on.
She took it off once already, so.
Well, she took it off once already.
Yeah, well, I'm probably gonna get her here.
No.
She on this side, right?
No, she's on that side. I mean, we put her on her once already, and she's kicked the straps. Dude, honestly, if you open that door, she's probably gonna spit on you. She's been spitting at us the whole time.
Okay, that's
So I'm just gonna let Rudy know she's
going on once and I'm not gonna get spit on. So.
no.
Well, just let you know. All right, if you ain't putting your seatbelt on, that's fine. You're still getting transported to jail regardless, okay? Like, for domestic violence, you're going to jail today. All right. Have a good day, ma'am.
We had to carry her from the front door out to the car. Like,
Yeah, just fucking ask for it.
You go get my phone. Go get my phone because you gonna look at my shit. Go get my phone. Hope y'all motherfuckers die just like them, bitch. Take me to the crazy house. I'd rather be there than there. Fake white ass motherfuckers. Y'all all fake, bitch. Right, y'all motherfuckers wanna lock somebody up for domestic violence, bitch. Y'all gonna take that shit off my shit and let me go back home like the way I was, bitch. If I didn't mess with that old raggedy ass bitch. What the is up? You want me to take your motherfucking gun and kill you with the motherfucking two, bitch? Do you? Y'all ain't even get my motherfucking shoes like y'all said y'all did.
well, you weren't being very cooperative with us, so.
I need my shoes and my motherfucking phone. Bitch, I ain't do shit, y'all. Motherfucker, go get my shit. Motherfucker wanna arrest me. Ooh, let's mess with kids. Bitch, I hate you. White cracker. White motherfucking cracker. That's what the f you are. White cracker. All y'all white crackers over there. And I'ma sue the f out of y'all when I get out this so y'all money go be mine.
Yeah, she's spitting all over the place, so.
Cause
All right, I appreciate it.
white cracker, white pig, 12. I ain't gotta wipe my shit up, bitch.
Nah, they'll do it for me. So you're just hurting somebody else, not me.
Motherfucker, y'all hurting me.
That's all right.
You mean this piece of ass, and I ain't do shit. Bitch, she spit on you too.
27-year-old Kendra Gaucher was charged with domestic violence causing injury, obstructing official business, and resisting arrest.
Watch when I get in the mood. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you, no FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam. 2K shit that get a nigga lean.